So my name is Krzysztof Wolski. I'm from Poland. I'm studying in Max Planck Institute in Saarbruecken in Germany. I studied computer science at West Pomeranian University in Szczecin in Poland. I finished my master's and bachelor's as well there. The story might be a bit funny, but I had no choice. Actually, I had to go for some very solid field actually, because my father is a physicist and my mother is mathematician, so I had no other choice. And I think actually it was a very good choice. Meanwhile, I was also a teaching assistant at the university during my master's degree. And I also had 2 internships in local companies that were focused on developing computer games. Realvision gives a lot of opportunities. I was wondering whether I should go to company directly after the studies or maybe continue the research career. And sure, I decided on the latter one. And why? Why Realvision? Realvision gives a lot of opportunities on developing skills, learning the new ones. All the people here are different, they are focused on different fields, so we can share our knowledge. We don't need to be focused on just one thing. Realvision also gives us the funding, which is very important when we want to do our research. We cannot do anything without money. So my work is focused on image quality, image metrics. So we want to evaluate how people perceive the visual stimuli, how they perceive the images. And this is very important if we think about the data amount that flows nowadays through the internet, about the bandwidth. We really have to limit it somehow. And without knowledge, how can we reduce this data? How can we fool the human visual system? One of the tasks of Realvision is fabrication. So if we think about fabrication, about mimicking some objects, mimicking some material, not only the type of material is important, but also the microstructure of the surface, the way that light reflects on the surface. And this can be described by bidirectional reflectance distribution functions, which says really how the light reflects on the surface. And this is very important. And as we can code this information in light fields, and if we are working on light field metrics, we can somehow merge these 2 projects and give the tool that can be incorporated to fabrication processing to really mimic the real appearance of the surface.